Hey, welcome back to another quick Ryobi drill tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how to swap the battery on your Ryobi drill. Now all we need to do is first take our Ryobi drill here, and the battery has a button this side here, as you can see when you press it in, and one on the opposite side. To swap the drill battery, press both sides and pull. It should pop out like that. Take your second battery, pop it in. You just need to line these up. It is shaped exactly the same as you can see. Put it in, and you want to hear an audible click. And you want to make sure there's no gap here. If you hear that click, it'll be perfectly fine, and you'll have successfully changed the battery on your Ryobi drill. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.